Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today is day 7 of Matt rebuilding the 305 engine in his 1985 IROC Camaro. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos, I have a link above and in the description below. Today's the big day, the moment everything we've been working towards leads up to. Will Matt's hard work pay off? Will the engine run? Nancy's in the car, ready to turn the ignition. Matt will be working the throttle and adjusting the timing from the outside, and I'm here filming, ready to jump out of the way in case it backfires or starts shooting antifreeze out the radiator like it did when he did his first rebuild of his '86 Camaro back in 2020. Unfortunately, after several attempts it wouldn't start. It sounded like it wasn't getting a spark, so Matt pulled one of the plugs, and sure enough, it wasn't firing. The time was about 1 p.m., and after a couple more tests, Matt determined it was the distributor. He didn't want to order one online and wait for it to ship, so he checked with some local stores, and Advanced Auto Parts had one in stock and ready for pickup. I was surprised they had it, and it made me sad to think of them closing stores because they always come through for us with hard-to-find parts. I didn't record him installing the distributor, but it went smoothly. It was now about 4 p.m. and time to give it another try. As expected, it turned over without hesitation and immediately fired up. No antifreeze shooting out, no backfiring. It was perfect. There was a little smoke from oil that had gotten onto one of the headers, but that quickly burned off. He ran it through a 20-minute break-in period and then adjusted the idle speeds. Everything sounded great except for a slight noise coming from the power steering pump. It needed a bit of fluid, and once topped off, the noise disappeared. Every time Matt rebuilds an engine, he ends up melting the wires on his timing light, and today was no different. Since he couldn't see the RPM, Nancy had to communicate with hand signals while he adjusted the engine's idle speed.
Stop.
What's that, vapor lock?
No, too much timing.
Oh.
Start it. Oh, hold on. It's going to die because I just turned the timing down. And it's now... Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
After finishing the break-in and getting the car running smoothly, he backed it into the garage and called it a day. He still had to put the body together, but that's for another time. So how does it sound? Here's a before and after comparison after it was all back together. Which one do you think sounds better? If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.